Have you ever imagined transforming your academic projects or creative ideas into reality with unprecedented ease and efficiency? What if you could leverage artificial intelligence to supercharge your learning, research, and content creation, making complex tasks simple and engaging? Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a powerful tool available to you right now. For students, AI offers incredible opportunities to enhance productivity and unlock new creative avenues. It's about working smarter, not just harder, in your studies and personal projects. This video explores how AI can revolutionize your approach to content creation, from research papers to YouTube channels. We'll demystify AI's role, showing you practical applications that can save time and elevate the quality of your work. Get ready to discover your new academic superpower. Struggling with writer's block or finding the perfect topic for your next assignment? AI tools can be your ultimate brainstorming partner. They can analyze vast amounts of data to suggest unique angles, relevant facts, and compelling arguments for any subject. Imagine researching for a history project or a science fair presentation. AI can quickly summarize complex articles, identify key themes, and even generate initial outlines. This frees up your valuable time to focus on critical thinking and deeper understanding, rather than just information gathering. Once you have your ideas, AI can help you articulate them clearly and persuasively. From drafting essays to writing engaging video scripts, AI-powered writing assistants can refine your language, check grammar, and suggest structural improvements. They ensure your message is impactful. These tools can help you structure arguments, develop coherent narratives, and even adapt your tone for different audiences. This is invaluable for academic papers, presentations, or even creating social media content. It's like having a personal writing tutor available 24/7. Creating visually appealing content often feels daunting, especially for students without extensive design or editing experience. AI tools are changing this, making professional quality visuals and video editing accessible to everyone. You can now produce stunning multimedia projects. AI can automatically edit video footage, suggest optimal cuts, and even generate background music or voiceovers. For presentations, AI can design slides, create infographics, and enhance images. This allows your creative vision to shine without needing advanced technical skills. Even the best content needs to reach its intended audience. This is where AI's capabilities in search engine optimization, SEO, become incredibly useful. For students creating online portfolios or educational content, understanding SEO is a vital skill. AI tools can analyze keywords, predict audience interests, and suggest optimal titles and descriptions for your content. This ensures your projects, whether a research paper or a YouTube video, gain maximum visibility and engagement. It's about making your hard work discoverable. Embracing AI isn't just about current projects. It's about developing essential skills for your future career. Understanding and utilizing these tools will give you a significant advantage in any field you choose to pursue. AI is a skill, not just a tool. This journey into AI-powered creation has shown me its immense potential for efficiency and quality. It's about empowering you, the student, to achieve more, learn faster, and express your creativity without limits. The future of learning and creation is here, and it's powered by AI. Don't just watch the future unfold, be an active part of it. Start experimenting with AI tools for your next project, whether it's a school assignment or a personal creative endeavor. Share your experiences and discoveries in the comments below. What AI tools are you excited to try? Like this video to spread the word about AI's potential, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content designed to help you master the tools of tomorrow.